Blanching vegetable is one of the easiest ways to keep them bright color, crispy texture, and fresh flavor, but many people do it wrong and end up with dull, mushy veg. Here is how to do it right. First, we need to select fresh vegetables, either from the farm or at your nearby supermarket. Make sure you wash your vegetables, and the peelable vegetable, you have to peel them so that they can bring a brighter look and a brighter color. Let's go to the blanching stage. First, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boiling. The key point here is plenty of water. When you add a little of water, the temperature drops when you add your vegetable, making them cook unevenly. Step 2, let's add a pinch of salt. This helps to set the color of the green vegetable like broccoli, beans, and season them lightly at the same time. Energetic vivid, drop your vegetable into the boiling water. Keep them moving gently and watch their color intensify. Bright green, orange, or rich yellow. That's your cue. They are almost done. Now it's time to achieve this crispy delivery. Now timing is everything. Blanch for just 1 to 3 minutes depending on the vegetable. They should be tender but still have a bite. And slightly urgent, here is the most important step: the ice bath. Immediately transfer the vegetable into a bowl of ice cold water. This stops the cooking instantly and locks in that beautiful colors. Wow! Most people skip the ice bath. That is one of the mistakes. Without it, your vegetable keep cooking, turn dull, and lose their crunchiness. Mistake number 2, overcrowding the pot. When they are too much in the water, the temperature drops and vegetables are up and soggy. And mistake number 3, covering your pot. Steam build up and can turn your green vegetable into brown. And the ending is, follow this simple step and you'll have a crispy, vibrant vegetable that look as good as they taste every single time. If you love these cooking tips, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share, guys. For good food, good mood.